Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to tell you the truth that no one talks about becoming fluent in English. And then I will also tell you how long does it take for a non-native speaker to become fluent in English, to speak English quickly, instantly, spontaneously, without even thinking about grammar rules. And then I will explain 7 secrets, 7 rules that you can use in your life to speak English fluently and confidently. And then I will also tell you how long did it take me became a fluent English speaker. Now before wasting any time, let's get into the video. What's the truth that no one tells you about becoming fluent in English? Well, it's the amount of time. That's right, it's the time span that requires for becoming fluent in English. Well, you will see videos over on YouTube. Speak English like a native in 7 days. Speak English like a native in 1 month. Speak English like a native in 2 months. People that tells you that you can speak English like a native in just 1 or 2 months is a complete lie. It's a complete bullshit. Well, it's an educational video, so I shouldn't use these kind of shit words. But anyway, what's the point here? So you cannot become a fluent English speaker in just 1 or 2 months. It takes consistency, it takes discipline, it takes months to become a fluent English speaker. And I know how long does it take for a non-native speaker to become fluent in English, to speak English instantly, quickly, spontaneously, without even thinking about grammar rules. That's why I'm here to guide you with each step on how to become a fluent English speaker, so you do not waste time watching tons of video and getting no value. Now, how long does it take for a non-native speaker to become fluent in English? Well, before telling you about this, let me explain what does fluent word mean. If you are fluent in English, it just means that you will speak English quickly and instantly without even translating in your mind. Fluent does not mean that you will not make grammar mistakes. You will make grammar mistakes. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes. So fluent just means that you will speak English quickly and instantly. Based on my experience, it requires 5 to 6 months for a non-native speaker to become fluent in English, to speak English quickly, instantly, and spontaneously without even thinking about grammar rules in their mind. Now, I'm going to tell you about the 7 secrets, the 7 rules that helped me become a fluent English speaker. And here, I'm going to be honest with you. These rules are not developed by me. These rules are developed by AJ Ho, the director of Effortless English System with Learn to Speak English like a Native. And I would definitely recommend to watch his 7 rules. And for this, you will see an I link right up here. Just click on the link and watch the 7 rules for becoming a fluent English speaker. Now, I told you about the rules, about the secrets that can help you becoming a fluent English speaker. Now, it's your turn to use these rules, to execute these rules in your daily life to become a fluent English speaker, and to not waste your time watching tons of videos and still not getting any value. That's it for today's video. If you believe that I provided some value to you in this video, remember that you can always support my work by liking, commenting, and sharing. As always, thank you so much for watching my video. God bless. Bye.